All right. Okay, this tutorial should show you all the things that we need to do to finish up your ePortfolios. I know you guys already have your shells of your websites built, and then this should mostly be just adding your PDFs of your assignments to your website. And then we're also going to add a page where you can put your teaching demonstration, and I'll show you the videos and how to upload and all of that, hopefully. Okay, here we go. So right now you just have the basics. It says your name, you have an About Me page, an Artifacts page, and a Field Experience page. What we want to do first is, I don't know why this isn't showing up with, okay, ooh, my editing. Okay, so if you just hover over your menu here, Edit Navigation will show up. Click on that. We are going to add a new page. Call it Teaching Demonstration. And then save it. Okay, so on your teaching demonstration page, we're gonna add an element. It will end up being a video, okay? I've tried a bunch of different ways. You can link, just type words and then link to your video. The only problem is only people on Canyons District can see videos from our Google Meets. We should have done Zoom, my bad. I did not know that it wouldn't let us share things. So alas, we have to do a bit of a workaround. So what I found is that we're gonna have to download your videos. And bless Emery's heart, she's been working with me on this for a while, and we've done some troubleshooting, and hopefully this will let us get some of your videos up here. They can only be 15 minutes long. So I know a lot of your lessons were longer than that. We're gonna have to just give them a clip, and then if they wanna see more, you can write in there that you have more that you can show them, should they like to see it, but then you would have to be able to send them the MP4. Okay, so what I did, this is not one of your teaching demonstration videos. I just snagged a Socratic seminar from my kiddos. So you have the option. I have made it so that you can edit your videos, and that means you should be able to download. So you just click on download from your link that you find in Canvas. Remember, that's where these are. So all of them I have linked here. If yours isn't there, remind me and I'll find it for you, but that's where it should be. So I downloaded it. Here it is. You can't see this up here, but I'm just going to File, or I'm sorry, Edit, and then Trim. You can also hit Command T to do this, and then I can trim my video to the length that I need it to be. So here, come on. So I could make it however long or short I want it to be. If you know more than I do and you want to do this differently, then that is just fine. You can do this differently. You can cut clips out. This is the only way I know how to do it. So you're welcome to do it your own way, cut the pieces that you want to cut or whatever it is, but this is one way to do it. So you could trim your video to make it the length that you want. And then you should be able to upload that shortened video to YouTube. So if I've got my video clip, let's see if I kept this open somewhere. Here we go. On your accounts, you go to YouTube, click create, upload a video, and then you can just drag that trimmed video here and it will let you upload your video to YouTube, and then you just put that link on to your page. Let's see, which one's mine? Gotta be honest, I don't remember. It's not this. Oh. Okay, sorry, don't mind me. Okay, it's on the same page. So once you've done that, you just copy and paste your YouTube video here. Okay, because we've created that. And then it should come up with a thumbnail. Let's see if we can just snag. Okay, let's say I'm putting this video on there. Copy and paste. I always center mine because I like it. You do what looks best to you. Click save. Like I mentioned, you could then do a text box that says, "This is a clip." from my teaching demonstration. Email me if you'd like to see the whole thing. You can write that if you want. Don't feel like you have to. That's just if you feel like you want them to know that this is part of a longer lesson. But then your video will be on your website. Okay, after that, on your artifacts page, remember we have a place for your lesson plan. You all should have written and submitted one for your teaching demonstration. So really all that you're doing is putting that file here. Okay, so you can drag it there, you can click to find it, whatever you want to do, click save. This is another place that if you wanted to put your video here as well, I actually think that that's a good idea so that they don't miss it. But that's totally up to you. We put that there so that you could do it if you wanted to. Okay, same thing. Philosophy of education, philosophy of classroom management. These are all assignments you've already done and are on this checklist that are also on Canvas for you to look at. And it tells you which assignment it is if it's easier for you to find it that way. So assignment 5, 10, 12, and you upload those onto your website here, just as file downloads so that anyone looking to see what you're all about, they can find it there. Okay, the last one is field experience. I know that this got cut off for us, that we did not get to do it for most of the semester. However, you did do it for a while, so I highly recommend that you upload either a video reflection, which is the best, or you could do a typed reflection, but it's not as impactful to see the typed up as it would be for you to do a video of yourself. And you do the same thing. This way, well, it would be easier. You just record yourself either on your phone, on your computer, wherever, upload it to YouTube of you talking about your field experience. The questions to answer about your field experience are on this checklist as well. What kind of teacher do you want to be? What are things that you didn't realize were a part of teaching? Do you have a similar or different teaching style than the teacher you worked with? You could also reflect on what it was like to observe lessons that we did online, because this is a very unique experience and that actually sets you apart, that you have participated in online school like this. So you could talk about that as well, and then just insert the video here or do your write-up on here, whichever one. Again, I highly recommend video. I think that that is everything. Let me double check our checklist. Homepage, artifacts, field experience, teaching demonstration. If you haven't done so already, just make sure that you personalize your website. I asked Emery if I could show hers and she said I could. So this is kind of where I believe you guys are at. There's a picture of you, you've written on it, you have these pages thus far, your homepage has pictures, some about you information, a quote that represents you, hobbies and interests, things like that. And then your artifacts and field experience pages only have placeholders for the things that we are adding. So thank you again, Emery, for letting me show that. If you have any questions or something's not working for you, you are welcome to do things your own way, or if you need help from me, let me know and we can see what we can figure out. Good luck. You guys are awesome.